I'm just out trading him so hard, man. Not thinking, dude. Fuck him again. He's probably dead here, actually. Wait, what if we, like, charge the ult? He thinks he's safe, right? He thinks he's safe. Dude. SMITE 2, what a game.
Today, we become legends.
Oh, we're playing into Ra? Okay, fuck the mystical mail then. I guess we're going, Genji's instead. Oh, we're doing fine for now. Fine when you hit 3, yeah. Can I kill on this wave if he gets too aggressive and like aggro's my minion wave? Maybe. Yeah, I can't quite kill, but we got some damage. If I can hit 3 here, get my pluck. Like pluck. Come on, give me 3. Give me 3. Fuck you. Get out of my solo lane, mages. Yeah, Sobek feels nice, man. All the new gods they're adding recently, like, they just feel really good. And for a while, like, a lot of the gods they were adding, they felt, like, super bad, and then they had to fix them after the fact. But, like, now the gods they're releasing just feel good off the bat, which is nice. Oh, it's really good with the pluck. You can use it on totem and the animation cancel thing, where if they can't be plucked, you immediately cancel the animation. That's really nice. Their quality of life. We kill? I just like walk at him? Oh, he's kind of got a full wave actually. Yeah, we can't kill. I've still got my teleport cooldown though, and he doesn't, so kind of chilling. I just back now, honestly. Starting to Genjis before both of these. Yeah, the prots early from Sobek are kind of huge, yeah. Makes you real tanky. They need to fix the blind there, man. It looks really weird. Nice. Shut down the Ra early, man, before he gets some silly build online. What's he going? Oh, just stand it in. He's going, like, Sands and Buck. I don't see the point of playing Ra in solo if you're not going to go the funny tank build. But I guess he probably just got solo and wanted to play Ra. Onis feels really good on him as well. Yeah, maybe we'll go Onis a bit later. Get Genji's for laning phase, and then if I want more magical D later, go Onis. I'm not sure how much magical D I'm going to need, though, because to do a triple hunter. Probably want a little more physical. Yeah, that animation cancel's sick. Yeah, pretty much Cog, yeah. He's already not really getting to play. It's kind of like a counter matchup in itself. Just throw him back in, he can't really get out. We can sub-execute him if it was a bit lower. Probably sub-execute him now, honestly. Look. Oh, dude, Danzo's here, what? Nice. Oh. Can't dodge a Danzo rocket, man. Is Danzo the jungle? Yeah, he is. Yeah, cooldown's so low already, man. Especially on the 3. With that cooldown refund if you hit multiple targets. Oh, Danzo stayed to push my tower? What a rude dude, man. Yeah, I'll probably go breastplate after this, get even more cooldown. It'll be kind of nuts. Yeah, this is just under 9 seconds at the moment, and if I hit 4 targets, this 4-second refund, it's like just under 5 seconds. Oh. Yeah, I'm doing so much damage right now. He's dead, right? I got my 3 already back, man. Yeah, not quite dead, unfortunately. Didn't have enough time to charge my ult. Yeah, the base cooldowns do seem pretty low. I think it's mainly because, like, this CDR is so available right now. Where's blue spawning soon? 9 seconds. Oh, dude, if that hit, I maybe could have killed. Probably not, but... Oh, why, dude? I'm getting ganked so much. Leave me alone. We need to get some walls, man. Oh, fuck. Dude, that knock away, like, it's definitely stronger in SMITE 2. He pops his 2, I could just kind of, like, 2 him away from there. This guy's dead, man. I don't know what he's doing. Yeah, he's got a Sobek coming. I'm getting neat ulted, but, like, could still be free. Downs us here. Oh, God, I'm taking a lot. I got my TP, though. I can just TP straight back in. Get to our breastplate. Yeah, we TP, yeah. Wall check. I forgot to buy walls, dude. Oops. I wanted to get back in here. Yeah, 3 cooldowns so low, man, when you hit multiple targets. That's insane. Ra's like kind of coming over this way. Can we get him? Oh, did he go for his blue? Probably went for his blue. He's already got it. We're chilling right now, though. Getting a big lead over this round. Come out. And my 3's already back up, man. That's so insane. It's flat cooldown reduction as well, so the more CDR I get, the more insane it's gonna get. Oh, you wanna go, dude? I'll fucking fuck. Want to be a kill with my ult there. I need more charge, but get some good damage. Oh, wow. I didn't realize I was that far ahead, man. I'm at 1.2k already. And at, like, 2 levels. Wow, I'm really far ahead. I had the Storm fully on Sobek. Yeah, that could be good. Pulling him back into the ult. Dude, my 3's already back up, like, immediately. This is so stupid. I want to get, like, a Deso or something as well. Oh. Could be fine. Still chasing me? Go away, dude. A whole wave's dying to their tower, man, and I've got team rotations. Like, this is kind of fine. Yeah, I don't know what they're doing here, man. Trying to chase me out. Yeah, I do get the Ra, but... Oh, needs to hit. Okay. That's unfortunate. Yeah, no, this Ra's not it, really. I think he just saw that Ra got added and wanted to play. Okay, what do we go now? Binding's always good on Sobek, right? Probably just go Binding. Yeah, I'm only 3-2-2, but I've got a massive lead. I'm like 1,500 gold up on this guy. Look at my farm compared to everyone else, except Neith, who's also farming. Ward check? Yes. Thank you. I bought 2 regular walls, not a sentry. Not really too worried about him having walls, to be honest. I'm also just worried about me getting like 3-man ganked again. Oh, there he is. Yeah, they're doing so much damage. Got my block already? Get him out of there. I'm just out trading him so hard, man. Nothing can do. Fuck him again. He's probably dead here, actually. Wait, what if we, like, charge the ult? He thinks he's safe, right? He thinks he's safe. Dude. Smite 2, what a game. He's too used to Smite 1, or Sobek can't blink on you while he's ulting. Wasting some dads of time as well. See if we can maybe gank the Neith. Where'd she go? Oh, okay. I have no idea where she went, man. I'm just gonna back. Too bad he can't blink during pluck. Yeah. That would be cool. That would be cool. Oh, we found the Neith. Oh, she blinked. Okay. Perk Sobek duo, what a nightmare, yeah. That'd be funny. There's some bounties over there. If the 3's cooldown is so low. Oh, he's got Ruin Attack, man. I was wondering why I was doing so little damage to him now. I should probably go Ank as well. Stop the Ra being able to do anything.
Follow me!
Fiore Pauletto, thank you for the follow. Yeah, he's kind of tanky now, man. I don't have much more kill potential, honestly. But it's about time to be rotating anyway. I might just go proxy and then rotate over. Yeah, Kepri's going to be soon. Not sure about Geb, but Kepri is confirmed to be first 50 and probably coming pretty soon. Yeah, see if we can rotate on duo here. Yeah, see if we can make an impact here. Unfortunately, it's a Jigway, so I can't really fuck, but... Oh, she had no dash, I guess. Ah, nothing much happening, really. Let's take a block. Peace. Nice. Oh, I can't tank much longer, man. I'm actually kind of getting melted here. Oh, dude, no way. Where's that damage? That's unfortunate. We should probably get out before we get rotated on. Sobek's base model is very big, yeah, Steam. Off stream. But, I like it. I think it's cool. Probably shouldn't be bigger than Ymir, which means maybe Ymir should be a little bigger. Or maybe Sobek like 5% smaller and Ymir 5% bigger.
Your left tower is under attack.
Yeah, I think he's probably taller than Ymir, but like not as wide. Ymir's a wide boy. That's some good backseating, Alan. I like it. Yeah, Sobek hella bulked up. Stands much more upright now as well. Yeah, those blinds, something's up with that. Flashing like towards the end of it. Let's rotate mid here. I'm bored just staring at this Ra, man. He bought Ruin a Sank. I can't kill him anymore. Nice. Kill this Jing. Nice. Good stuff. Okay. Do we want to buy like some damage, man? Probably not, honestly. Spirit Robe. Oh, maybe go Boar active actually. I saw Sobek using that earlier, it was pretty funny. Or is it this one? Yeah, let's go Cersei Sexstone. Bird in for the double pluck, that could be funny.
Your left tower is under attack.
Cersei Sexstone? Exactly. From Game of Thrones. I find in the new cards, they don't seem super OP to me. Yeah, they seem kind of okay. Ra seems maybe a little good, but just whatever. And I think Sobek's fine. Oh, can we sub-execute? Nah, not quite. Dude, animation cancel they did to pluck. Like, that's such a nice quality of life feature, man. Tower. So you built that. Oh, hello. I need to Sobek are both here. Oh, dude, the whole fucking team's here. Oh my god. I mean, if we could just kind of like distract them here. We've got both dual letters pushing a free tier 2, so. Oh. This is kind of fine. If none of us die, we're getting a free tier 2 in, right? God damn it, Lupus. Are they still like trying to push this, man? I feel like we can hold it just fine. And we're getting a free tier 2 over there. Yeah, we're chilling here, man. Okay, Dante isn't right now, but...
Follow me!
Okay, they sent 2 people back to right. Probably kill the Ra. Maybe the Neath as well, honestly. There's a little bit of delay on exiting Sobek ult where you can't block that isn't down Smite 1. Something I've noticed. Nice. Yeah, I got it back here, dude. I got a fair bit of money. Need to come back flip over walls now, yeah. Alright, we get a Hexstone. Let's go into maybe like a Spirit Robe. Alright, I've literally never used Hexstone before in my life, so we're gonna see how this goes. Oh, dude, he became the rocket? Why would you do that? It's insane. Okay, we Hexstone. That's pretty fun, dude. I like that. I got Blink if I need to here. I don't think I need to. My god, we're farming on the Sobek right now, boys. Hello? What? How on earth did he pluck me from like 7 years away there, man? What? Nice. You see how far away that Sobek was from here? And he fucking plucked. Dude, they have a lot of damage. We need some damage deals over here. Okay, why is every game this stream just been an arena game? What? Did I just pluck a Neath Weave? Okay, there's a few bugs. There's a few bugs. Let me try that again. Yeah, you can fucking pluck Neath Weaves, man. What the fuck is that? They fire out. Surely a dead dancer, right? Yeah. Our dancer's split pushing right, so we can keep him here. Ow. Ow. I'm fucking plucking Neath Weaves all over the shop, man. What is this? Yeah, another god had a similar issue. Yeah, gold bags, I think. Let's see if I can rotate and maybe help Dancer. Oh, Raz hitting the fat snipes. Oh, Dancer's backing off. Where is he? Oh, I'm gonna go see if I can help him. Hello! Oh, okay, I don't know what happened to my plug there. Maybe you can't Hexstone into plug? I tried it. He's doing a lot of damage. BMT about to go to town on that weave interaction? Yeah. Oh, did I hit a weave again? Dude, this game. They need to fix that. I think I'm going to save my money for buying full pendulum. Fucking plucking Neath Weaves, man. Why do they have a hitbox for anyone but Neath? Probably not too many more like it, honestly. I got stuff to do today. They're all grouped up in right, see if we can head over there. Got my Hexstone coming up. East and right, we in theory should be fighting here. Hello. Dude, that's some damage. Oh, Jing's also got damage though, and I'm getting fucking Neath ulted. Oh. Hexstone? What? Let's go, dude. Hexstone's a fun item. I like this. Swank? No, I definitely should not hit weaves. That's not an intended mechanic. See if we can defend against this fucking split pushing Neath, man. kill here? Ah, she fucking... Oh, dude, she missed the backflip, though. Yeah, we kill. Get out of here. Yeah, I'm 11 and 3 right now. Sobek hella fun, I'm not gonna lie. Has some good synergy with Hexstone as well. Yeah, it should be like UI settings, I think, for changing the flashbang color. Alright, let's back, group up with the team, get Spirit Robe. And I'm not sure what I want last. Pharaoh's Curse could be good. Could also just go a damage item, I'm already pretty tanky. Hexstone, look. Don't we got this guy right. Sobexecute. Hey, nice, we finally got one. Ow. Hello, boys. You can chase this, I think. Oh, no, DC. DC. I'm doing insane damage, though. Oh, right with the snipe. Nice. Ow. 8 hurts. Danzo. Kind of need to pack, to be honest, but... Oh, we got Mushroom, though. And Ra heals. This is such an arena game, or an assault game, like, we should just be doing objectives here. Uh-oh. That's a dead Danzo. Oh, dude, it's not Raul, though. Look there, Danzo. You just slid along your mojo, man. He's this one, Charlie. Nah, he's not. Nice. Okay, I'm actually gonna back here though. I'm pretty low. Yeah, honestly, I might just go more defense. I think we've got a fine amount of damage. What do I want though? Maybe just Pharaoh's Curse. Pharaoh's Curse is probably good. Sounds this attack. Yeah, this does feel better. Yeah, Sobek's ults and execute now. That's a new change in SMITE 2. Speeds? Dude, my pluck's already back up. I can pretty much just infinite pluck this guy when Geji's got procs. Oh, dude. Is Danzo actually low, or is that just a clone? Nah, he's not that low, but we can probably still kill. Oh, easily, man. Easily. Yeah, I was finally doing objective, man. I swear I've been playing for 30 minutes and we've done 0 objectives. Just been playing Assault. New clickbait YouTube title, Assault is now in SMITE 2. Oh, can we get underneath maybe? Got Hexstone. Ah, no, she's running. Maybe try and push down mid tower though. I'll get Pyro. Ah, bad. That's fine though, we get the tower. Get Pyro. I wish Danzo group up more, man. He just insists on split pushing. He's been part 5 out of 30 kills. Alright, let's go. I'll catch you later. Hexstone? Look! Dude, I'm causing carnage in their backline. Oh, did Jin get the second one? He dies, right? Yeah. I've got so many cooldowns, man. I don't even have that much CDR either. I have a good amount, but...
Attack fire giant. Attack fire giant. Retreat. Retreat.
Get Pharaoh's Curse and get over to fire.
On my attack fire giant.
Oh, you're in this game, Miko. Oh, dude, Miko's the dancer. Dude, I've just been absolutely fucking bullying Miko this whole time. I didn't realize. You gotta group up more, man. We need you in these fights. That was just some random dancer that's been bullying Miko. Completely forgot I was queuing with you. Yeah, let's get this FG, man.
Fire giant.
Yes.
Yeah, another CDR nerf, I wouldn't be surprised. It should be pretty free, honestly.
Follow me.
Goes on, though. Jev, thank you for the follow. Yeah, I don't think they're bothering to contest this. Oh, these there? We can kill these. I got Hexstone. Dude, that's so much fun. I need to build Hexstone on like all my tanks, man. With Pharaoh's Curse as well? Yeah, no, she's dead, right? He is so dead. Not like knowing it was them would stop you. True. Especially not when it's Miko. Nah, we're not taking the tower, man. Oh, can we kill Sobek, maybe? Oh, good, you mod your ult, dude. Yeah, we kill Sobek. Fucking dancer chat. How goes the smiting? Pretty good, Zombie Slayer, pretty good. Try and outround Sobek. Oh, missed. It's fine, though, he's on or off. Yeah, we should probably attack right here. I can't tank for too long, though. Uh-oh. Off-end with super opposition, though. Maybe we just back up. Back up, get gold. Reset.
Ultimate is ready.
Someone's still flaming you for making that glitch new video. Yeah, I probably should have waited until I was patched, honestly. But I do think some of the people in the comments were overstating how much impact I had by making the video. Like, everyone already knew about the bug that wanted to know about it. But yeah, I probably should have still waited. I want to stay here, man, but also I'm solo. I should be fine here. Probably just Hexstone away. Never mind. I'm not fine at all. Dude, the sub-execute coming in clutch on tanks. At least he probably dies for it. Yeah. That was my first death in forever in this game, man. You know what? I'm going to sell the Pharaoh's Curse, man. Also, I never thought about it, but like hyper late game, couldn't you abuse like just buying an active item with a really long cooldown, using it, selling it, buying it, like if you have a lot of gold? That would be like hyper late game stuff, because you want to buy 6k worth of power pots as well, but that's something you could do. Maybe just Glad Shield instead. Or Helm of Darkness. We go ham on the active items.
Be careful middle.
Yeah, let's go Helm, dude.
Right leg.
Fuck it. Invisible Sobek. What happens when you blink while blocking someone? You can't. It locks you out of blink.
On my way.
Let's get back in there. Yeah, if I could just like stealth into their backline and just get like a free hex stone and a block or something, that could be fine. Yeah, let's get Pyro on fire. And then hopefully end this game, because it's a bit of a long one. Let's get Pyro. Did all the Sobek testing? Hell yeah. That dancer's over there. I'm gonna try something. Oh. Fire heals. Uh-oh. Yeah, I'm just trying to party with active items right now. That's Neith's backflip down, though. Ben's in there. We hex, though. Oh my god, dude. That was a good engage. Fuck you, Dancer. I fucking plucked a Neith weave again. Oh, they didn't fix that shit. That's gonna get real frustrating real fast. Can't believe we didn't kill more people there, man. Am I dead as well? Okay, no, Dancer died. Nice. Oh god, I'm gonna get subexecuted. Unfortunate. Yeah, probably not, Cog. Probably not. I can't believe we didn't win that fight more cleanly, man. We got such a good engage. Would have been a lot easier if I didn't block a fucking Neith wave, though. Dude, the peaceful Minecraft music while I'm in the death screen. Thing. I don't know if we should be trying to siege with 3 people, man. I feel like just get fire. Oh, nice, Jeff. Glad you enjoyed the bits. Welcome to the stream. Oh, well, not welcome. You've been here for a while, I think. Appreciate you checking it out, though. Am I gonna get this? Maybe? No. Not quite.
Attack the fury. Yes.
Yeah, we can get gold. Progress it one more towards Ancient Fury. Should help with that siege. Also, if we can bait them into fight over it, they definitely should not fight over it, but if they do come to contest, we might just be a kill. Nice. Oh, dude, can we stealth in here? Oh, okay. We still hit. Next stone. Dude, I'm causing backline carnage right now. Good shit. We blink, we pluck. Uh-oh. There's so many blinks just went off. Oh my god. Oh, we have no minions, man. They've shoved the minions out pretty far. Yeah, let's get these minions. Helm of Darkness is on such a low cooldown as well, man. Is it like 60 seconds or something? It's almost back up. I got a bomb for this. He's charging an ult. Kill this guy, man. Why is he that far pushed up? Did he not die? Okay, I'll finish him. That's fine, dude. To kill that Sobek now. I don't think I need to bomb this. Ah, fuck it. Let's just try and end. Too much is trolling us, but... Oh, can I bait this Jing? On the knees? Uh oh. Uh-oh. I feel like we could just go on Titan. Oh, both our backliners died? This game's gonna go on forever. 42 minutes? Jesus Christ. I don't think we can do a Phoenix, honestly. All we have is Fenrir for damage. No minions, no ADC. There's no way we can do it by Phoenix. Yeah, that's unfortunate. Hey, Sticky Slap Hand.
Follow me.
Okay, let's get the in potion. Twilight, thank you for the follow. I should probably shove up left a little bit. We might want the minions pushed up for when we next siege. I like that you can turn your camera in the middle of the book as well. That's good stuff. You wanted a long game, so inted. I didn't want a long game, man. I want to be done with this. 42 minutes is too long. You get to play Ra mid every game someone insta-locks in. Yeah, there's a lot of Ra insta-locking. I've still got my bomb for this left Phoenix. Yeah, I've had a couple of those Galaxias, yeah. Oh, we should probably be waiting for minions. Hexstone? Look! Oh my god, dude, I'm getting shredded. Oh, fuck. Okay, we're fine. Dude, kill this Sobek. Got so over-aggressive. Fuck it. Oh my god, it blinked into a fucking emoji thing, man. Can I get round the side with like a Helm of Darkness play, maybe? Yeah, they didn't see me. Get on the Ra. Oh, no way, no one died there, man. Okay, we're getting the Phoenix, though. Alright, let's just go for Titan, man. We got minions coming in. Please, you want to just tank the Titan and we end, please. I'm so... This 45-minute game, man. Jesus Christ. GG. Oh my god, that was a long one. We did some Sobeking, though. Absolutely. Yeah, Frog, the change where it ends on CC immunity or if the target dies is like so nice for like making him feel cleaner. God damn, dude. 34 worshippers. They've definitely done something with the worshippers where they're giving people more now. You would not have got 34 even for a game that long. Have a look at the scoreboard. And 51k damage. 118k mitigated. 26k self-healing as well. Dude, nuts. Sobek gonna be a menace. Yeah, he feels really good in Smite 2, man. That definitely feels better than Smite 1 Sobek.